So today I just want to take a very quick look at a follow-up video of impatiens that we trimmed. And we showed how we trimmed these impatiens back, and it's been about 2 weeks now, and you can see that they're just very, very lush with growth. And that's really proving our point that go ahead, trust us when we say, yeah, you can go through and cut down your impatiens. I promise you they will turn out nice and full. And really, you only have to do this once early on in the season, and you can see that foliage is just really, really dense down in here, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. So we go through, and I showed you in that video, I took a hedge trimmer, I just cut it right down, and I wasn't careful about it. It was just knocked her right down, and it didn't harm it at all. This is the same flat of impatiens that I showed you, and we cut her down to kind of sticks, and it just forced that growth out from underneath, and 2 weeks later, this is what it looks like. And there's buds all over in here, so those little buds will turn into flowers, and this is gonna look spectacular. And if I had planted this in the soil or into a grape container, it would be even further along. This is just still in the flats, so they're in the little cell packs, so they don't have a lot of soil. And every few days I was hitting it with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer, so that really helped to develop that growth and get this moving along. And you can see we did the same thing with these flower towers, and how beautiful these turn out. And that's one of the first things that we do is we go through and we plant them and then we cut them back. And you can see this is just gorgeous. And if I can kind of move in here a little bit, you can see what this actually looks like. It's basically a tube. It's maybe about this big. There's holes all along the side of this, and we go through and we plant the impatiens inside there, and some up on the top. We water from the top here, so the water can kind of drain down and get through all of the plants, but you can see how beautiful that turns out. So yeah, trimming up the impatiens, it's the way to go, and I just wanted to quickly show you the growth and give you that 2-week follow-up of, yeah, this really does work. Trust us when we say you can do this. Again, you should really only need to do it once, maybe twice if there's some real lanky, sometimes individual plants will get real lanky and will outgrow. You can go through and you can cut those, but otherwise your impatiens will be beautiful for the rest of the season. So that's that again, just showing you our little follow-up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.